anytime.
Just that two.
Do you have any idea where I'm bringing you? Kasi ano ko siya eh.
Yeah, you're bringing
surprise.
me 2 hour wedding rings.
But first, nung huli kasi na nandito kami, di ba, bumili ako ng chain ng aking kwentas. Nagpa-engrave din po kami nun ng sing-sing namin, yung wedding ring namin ba, pinalagyan po namin ng pangalan.
My love, I have a question for you. Why did I need to brush my teeth if you're just wearing this thing the whole time anyway?
Bakit pa daw siya mag-toothbrush? Punta tayo dun sa... Hala, are they closed? Nakuha na po namin. Ito talagang mister ko, unahin niya na muna daw ito. Oh. Bili daw siya ng ano ba? Tarak-tarak daw. This one, mahali one?
Yeah.
Hindi, tinitingnan niya po yung paano nila dyan, pa board game. So, still no idea?
Isn't this the place you said we were not going to eat? The something rich?
Something rich. Yeah, that's rich. Do you remember this?
Yeah, of course.
So what is this? Tell them. What is this place?
Like one of our first dates.
Yeah, dito po kami unang nag-date nung binisita po ako ni Daniel sa Pinas. Oo, nung mag-boyfriend at girlfriend pa lang kami, no? So we're now in Jack's Fridge. Kiss food. Are we allowed to do this? We go down. Baba po tayo. Overlooking po ito ng Davao. Makita po talaga natin yan mamaya, no? Kita natin sa inyo mamaya. So we're reminiscing what happened before, after the date.
Yeah, what happened after the date?
Wait, this is not the place. Wala, I don't know anymore. Where was that, Mahal?
I don't know.
The one we always go ba?
Always once we went there.
No, I mean my family and...
Is it not the one here at the top that's so busy?
No, we need to go down. So, dito pala. Pataka lang tayo baba kanina. So, dito ko dinala si Daniel. Sarado sila, yung restaurant. Meron pa din naman po doong restaurant sa taas. Pero yung pinagdatean talaga namin ba? Wala na ata sila. I think they're already closed, my love. Yeah, it's there. Yan ba? They're closed. Let's just go up. Sa taas. Bad trip. There's a park there. May park po dyan. Yeah, let's eat. Dali na. Napagod. Look at my view, guys. Super grabe. Diba? Yan po, buong Davao. Grabe din buong Davao eh. Oh, diba? Nice view. What? Ay, sabi niya pa ba, hala vlogger ka, mamala nahulog. Sabi niya, hala si Inday. Hala ka, oy, ang waiter, nakilala po tayo. Sana yun yan.
Na sila talan noon mo.
Sabi ko sa kanya ba, I also want to drink, Mahal ba? What did you answer?
I said, we're on date.
So?
I also want to drink. Why are you even thinking we're not drinking?
May sisig na pala na mangga ngayon, guys. Ayan oh, sisig na mangga daw, Mahal. Sisig mango. Yan po yung ano nila dito oh. Dito kami ngayon sa, ano yan? Jack's Ridge something. Yan yung kanilang prices. Pricing. Diba? Hindi masyadong mahal. Okay lang. Ah, my date oh. Wow. So where are we going after this?
To bar.
Hindi na pala sila nagsiserve dito. Nang inumin ba? Kaya mag-inom nga sana kami na bakit-bakit nga. Pero yung kanila daw dito ay dinner na lang. Tapos sa baso na lang daw nila nilalagay yung Red Horse. Kaya mag-Red Horse patay na ang ang diarrhea tomorrow, Mahal.
Yeah, but we need to have that because that was our date. We were here.
Grabe.
I remember because the day after, I didn't want to leave the hotel anymore.
Grabe talaga ang pangyayari na yun. Kaya, di ba, grabe kaputi. Parang kunin na naman tayo ni San Pedro ba? Ganyan. Oh. So, yun na nga. Yan na yung nangyari na grabe niya ka, yung nagbawas po talaga na basta ang niya, kasintabi po sa kumakain dyan yan. So, yan na po talaga yung istorya niya na nung unang araw niya dito pagkabukas, nagka-diarrhea po agad siya. Kaya pag umiinom to ng Red Horse, magka-diarrhea siya. So, pinainom ko ng Imodium. Ang nangyari ngayon, halos 3 days siya hindi makapagbawas. Kaya galit na galit din ito sa Imodium. Sa Imodium ba? That I let you take the Imodium because you had a...
And then I could not poop for 3 days.
Tapos, pinainom ko siya ng Biofit. And then the Biofit, mahal, what happened to the Biofit?
Then I had diarrhea for 3 days again.
24 hours siya hindi makalabas. Galit na galit sa akin.
Wanted to go out, and then we just went down the stairs. I run back up again. Biofit.
Biofit pa more. Masarap pa sa feeling ng ganito, no? Yung maalala mo, nung una kami nagkita, tapos pagkagabi, diretso po kami dito para mag-dinner. This was our first date, mahal. Here.
But we had a sisig. But we have sisig again.
Nag-order po kami ng, what did we order? Sisling, pusit, at ang paborito niya na kinilaw. Ang salarin. Red Horse.
It says
Extra
here,
strong.
full flavored, extra strong. Extra strong that it will punch through you and out of your lubot.
Sige na, cheers na, be. Cheers. Cheers. No, I want a glass with this. I don't want to, tungabin. Oh, just cheers ba? Just for the vlog. Sige na. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, nakalamansi. Oh, kayan talaga ang pinanggigilan niya ba? Sige pa, Jude. Do you want more calamansi? We can ask more.
And then you cut the chili.
Yeah.
Crush it a little bit. And then the other chili too.
Why?
Put the spoon in my mouth.
Spicy? Sige na. Toyo.
What is toyo?
Soy sauce.
Ah, yeah. How much of that do we need?
Not a lot. Like that. Oh, a little bit more. Like that. So?
Good.
Ngayon na hindi namin kasama si Nathan, bakampante masyado ang feeling ko. Kaya ang nanay ko po talaga ang nagbabantay sa kanya. Iba talaga yung pag sarili mo talagang nanay ang magbantay sa anak mo. Kay, ano ba? Bahala, hindi ako mag-message sa kanya. Hindi nga ako nagtanong kung nagising ba, nagdidi ba. Bahala na siya sa buhay niya. Apple take 3.
Cheers.
Apple is there, I think. Yeah, apple is there.
I take 4.
Look at that, guys. Sisling pusit and our kinilaw. Thank you. Ay, meron pa palang rice. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating pag-garlic rice. Salamat, ya. Kain. Kain. Salamat. Wala na. Tinungga na po namin kasi hindi kami nagbigyan ng baso. Kahit may love. Rice yun daw siya, oh. You can eat it all, the rice. Ayaw kong kumain ng madami kasi pag kumain po ako ng madami, hindi ako malasing. Gusto ko malasing ngayon kaya baka maano tayo ba? Na alam nyo na. Sige, my love. Tirahin mo na yan. Kaya mamaya ako ang tirahin mo. Joke lang, guys. Ha? It's stuck. Hala. Because it's too hot, my love. Baka masunog ba? Sige. Ala, nahulog pa, Jude. Give that to me.
I burned my finger on the fork.
Ako na, guys.
Oy.
Si Daniel.
Yes.
Napasok.
Ah, okay. And then, after you get it, what do? You give it to your lovely husband.
Wala, ang bango, guys. Feeling ko masarap to. Amoy pa lang masarap na. Ano ba yan?
Yes. Thank you. Wow.
Agoy na sausaw na. Tapos siyempre kanin. You like it? It's not chewy? Kinilaw. So? Wow. Ako na naman. Wow.
I really like the squid and the kinilaw.
Sarap ng kinilaw. Wala, kasarap. Yung butter ba? The butter mahal, you can really taste it. Kunting kanin lang. Sarap sila dito guys. No joke. Pag pumunta po kayo dito sa Davao, puntahan nyo po talaga ito kasi maganda yung view. Tapos habang kumakain ka, tingnan nyo gaano kaganda ang view ko habang kumakain ko. Diba? Tapos ang buhok, hinilapan ng baka. Kain.
Ano yun?
No, that's papaya. Oh, grabe ka sarap guys. I really love the squid mahal.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Wow. Pero yung kanin po nila medyo basa. Diba? Honest review.
So, are you back now? Are you back now to the first date we had?
Yeah. I love it. Kinilaw mo sarap yun.
We still need to do something.
What?
It's something we did on our first date. We need to hold hands under the table. But we were sitting next to each other. Not
Yeah, let's do that later. Hold hands under the
Yeah,
table.
Under the bar.
Super yummy, my love.
Very good.
Wow. Nag-enjoy siya, oh. Wow.
Are you enjoying?
Very much.
You
Alam
don't...
niyo sino nagpapawi sa akin? Ang anak ko na panganay. Kay Sinatan daw.
You don't mind that since last time we were here, now my hair is super gray.
Yeah. I'll show you some picture, guys.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were riding till midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love.
Ito po kami nagkita nung sa Davao. First met namin.
I remember all the security guards were telling you, oh, you have such a beautiful boyfriend.
They said that?
Yeah.
What
They were all saying, pogi, oy, pogi, oy.
May nagpa-picture po sa amin pero nahiya siya ba na makisali po sa vlog. Nung umalis na din po sila. Sarado na yung ano nila. Ito yung pang dinner nila. So after nito pupunta po kami sa bar ni Daniel.
So, what was your plan? You just paid, and then you said, let's go now. Huh?
Meron pa palang
You still have almost whole Red Horse there.
nagbayad na kami. Mura lang, mura. Hindi na po ako magsasabi ng mahal ha. Simula ngayon dahil mapagalitan tayo ba? I-enjoy ko daw. Huwag daw magsabi-sabi ng mahal at magreklamo. Kaya, ay grabe ka mura ng pagkain namin. Hindi ako na-shock. Hindi masyado mahal. Grabe itong anak ko ba? Hindi ka mag-enjoy ba? Kay grabe ang mga message niya. Oh, ma, uwi na kayo 12. Kay Kapoy magbantay. Kala mo nagbabantay siya. Tulog naman si Nathan at nandoon ang nanay ko. Sabi niya, sweldo ha.
There is this saying that we need to go back?
That we will go home at 12 ba?
But that,
And he's asking for salary.
him, but he's not the one babysitting tonight.
Yeah, he's asking salary. Ala ka, oy, naghihintay daw sila. Bawal pala. Bawal. Bawal pa uniform. Ala, bawal. Hi! Yung mga ano ba, nagtatrabaho po dito, magpa-picture daw. Bawal pala silang lumapit kaya nagtrabaho pa man. Ngayon, pasarado na po sila. Salamat, Day, ha? Love you. Ay, susaw na mo. Nagkahaman din sila. Dali na. Hello. Mag-picture daw, mag-picture. Hala, mag-isa-isa dyan ay tani, Day. Hala, nag-away pa sila, guys. Oh, sige na, sige na. Wala na, finish na. Diyan po pala silang lahat, oh. Bye-bye, guys. Salamat. Salamat kayo. Bye-bye. Aba? Salamat. Oh, sure. Oh, sige, picture kay sir. Picture kay sir. Picture na kay sir. Picture na, picture.
Picture what? Oh,
Just you. Ah, nag-hug pa sila, oh. Okay tayo. Ah, sige, apil. Ala. Kuyawang Dodong Daniel, oy. Sige, salamat kayo, ha. Salamat, guys. Salamat, bye-bye. Sarado na po yung bar nila. Salamat, Day. Pa-picture pa ka? Hala, pasulo daw siya. Ano, nag-shooting ka, ma'am? Pwede? O, dali, sige, picture.
Ngit-ngit man, uy.
Picture pa
Ngit-ngit,
naman.
sige.
Okay. Andito po kami ngayon sa MTS, pero I'm sure na hindi po ako makapag-vlog doon kasi makapiright tayo. May kanta-kanta dito eh. Mag-date kasi talaga kami ba? Walang uwian ito, guys. Right, my love?
Right.
We're dating?
We are.
Are you drunk already?
I'm super drunk. You know?
Hmm?
I am so drunk on love for you.
Oh, dali na.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah.
So, yun na yun. Grabe.
Grabe.
We enjoyed the food.
You cannot even get both of our heads on the camera in one screen.
Especially.
When we're next to each other. Huh?
Especially. Hindi ako lasing, guys, sir. Konti lang. Ano lang ininom namin? O, yun lang. Yung isang Red Horse doon na, na Pilsen, tapos yung 500 ml na ngayon. We are now in Jollibee. 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 Dumaan po kami dito kasi magpa-order yung pamilya ko ba, yung mga pinsan ko nagising pa. So what do you want to say?
The more that you get people, you know, wanting to take our picture, and like, oh, and like, the more I'm starting to think like, wait, is that like, are you drunk?
No, I'm not mahal because your voice is not too loud. Used to
My
be.
voice is not too loud. It needs to be
Used to
louder.
be. Yeah.
Okay, but the more I start thinking, like, do they go home and then they go tell their friends like, oh hi, I saw it in like Garnet and Lutang Daniel and I have the picture. Oh, look at this, you know. And more, I'm starting to think like, wait, we are not just, you know, the people anymore who can go here and do the stuff we did 6 years ago and just focus on each other and nothing else anymore. It's not possible anymore.
It's not possible. Kahit nga dito, meron po tayong ano dito, subscriber. It's not possible. Sabi ko pa kay Daniel ba? Sabi ko pa kay Daniel ba? What did you say, mahal? I did not understand. I think I'm hubog.
Yeah, that's what I just asked you. You know how I know you were hubog?
Yeah.
You did this to me. Huh?
No, I'm not hubog, mahal.
This is what you did to me.
Ano? Andito na po kami sa Jollibee. Sir.
Pauwi ka na?
Pauwi na ako, sir. Okay na, happy na? May pahabol pa pala. Nandiyan na yung order natin. Mag-order pa di ay may isa pa, sir. One more, my love. Without the drink.
What was it?
Just say double bacon cheeseburger. Ay, double bacon something. Sige na. Order, my love. Sakit akong ulo, sir. Eh, English ba?
Okay. Can I bring this in the taxi or no?
Yes, you can. Nag-order siya ng brain freeze?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go, mahal. Ano yun? Ice coffee. Let's go na, guys. Uwi na tayo. Andito na po kami sa wharf. Tapo ni Daniel yung kanyang ice coffee. May barge man ata. Feeling namin kailangan naming maghintay. Tulog na si Sir O. Kailangan naming maghintay nung umalis yung barge na yan. Baka maglangoy. Sure, mahal 24 hours. I'm not sure about that ba. But my family said, sabi naman ng pamilya ko na 24 hours daw. 24 hours na yung barge po dito. Meron pa siguro eh. Nandoon pa siguro ba? Patawid pa lang. 20 pesos mahal. 10 pesos po ang bayad per person sa barge. Pero pag sasakyan, 200 sa sasakyan. Yan na pa, may barge siya, no? Na pa. 24 hours daw. O, pag guys, akong vlog di. Hi! Ha? Hello, kailos. Salamat, Day. O, pag guys, akong vlog. Hi! O, diba? Salamat!
Salamat!
Pero, sir, ang barge, sir, padulong pa lang dire.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. Salamat. Ang barge daw, papunta pa lang po daw dito. Maghintay tayo, no? 30 minutes daw. Follower. Hintay tayo dito, no, ng barge. 20 pesos na ilang. What?
How much should I have given the little boy? When
How
we
much
were
did
with
you
the
give
taxi?
him?
6.
How much did you give him?
6.
Kasi may may bata. Bata pagod masyado, 7 years old siguro. Tapos yung naghahanap nga ng taxi, sabi ko, bigyan mo. Naghahanap ng pasero ba para sa taxi para magkapera. 6 pesos only.
Because mahal, I cannot see what is in my wallet because all the coins look alike now.
Bad trip yung ganyan. No, yung ating mga coins ngayon ba na pare-parehas lang po ang ang kulay. Tapos sa gabi, hindi mo masyadong makita. Grabe yung sura ko na maga. Okay. Nandiyan na yung barge. 30 minutes later. Ayan na po. Mag-alas 12 na ata. How are you?
I'm good. But
Malapit na po tayo sa tawag dyan? Sa shore. JC, thank you.
my face diaper.
Thank you for getting us. Anong oras na? Pumasok pa ako doon sa sasakyan. Akala ko sasakyan namin. Hindi pala, na-shock yung driver. Anong oras na? Launa na, no? Uy.
Kiss me.
We're home, guys. Pauwi na po tayo. Miss ko na si Nathan. Ayun na, let's go. Yung mga tao na naghintay sa Jollibee. Gising pa ba kaya? Iyak sa mong mata. Mang. Sleeping. asasinatan. Mang. 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 Salamat, Mang. Love you, Mang. Hi, Swab. Burger ka, Swab? Wow. Sarap. Kain ka mabuti, ha? Grabe, hinintay niya talaga kami, oh.
Enjoy Garnet. Subscribe to his channel. Di ba, Swab?
Naghintay ka talaga?
Oo. Naghintay ako.
Grabe.
Hindi ako katulugon yun.
Si Shan at si Bibi kung tulog na.
Parang wala pa si Kuya.
Hmm?
Wrong stuff. Open again. Good evening.
Kapoy, Mang.
Sleeping Beauty.
Ha? May burger. Nagutom ang nagbantay, guys. Ang nagbantay, nagutom na. Sarap, sarap yan. Sarap iyo.
They see. Maybe your daughter.
Why?
You want the burger?
No, I don't.
Isipin mo na lang gawin. Bukas pa, doktor ha.
Na magpa-doktor na daw, guys. The high blood ate. What did we eat? Dinakdakan.
Ano. Basta wag lang marami. Huwag ka pa nila sa utak mo.
Dinakdakan and crispy tenga. So, guys,
The problem is,
did you enjoy our vlog for today? My love, let's end the vlog, mahal. Tapusin na natin ito para makatulog na kami. Magbihis pa ako, magpunas pa. Sinatan mo. Bukas ulit, guys. We love you.